Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I got a quick one for you today. We're going to be talking about the cup holders inside your Tesla Model Y and hopefully a way to make them more convenient. Let's get into it. All right guys, so in my never-ending quest to find a cup holder that I really like for my Model Y, it's led me on a search down the rabbit hole. I've tried lots of different cup holders and I'm going to go through those real quick with you guys, the ones that I've tried, what I dislike about them. So this is the first cup holder we tried. Just kind of an insert that you can find on Amazon. A million companies make these, and it's fine. It sits down in your, your Tesla cup holder like this. I don't want to put it all the way because it's a struggle to get it out. But it just limits the ability to get a few different size drinks in there. It does hold on to your cans and things really nice. It's just not what we were looking for. It's a little bit too flimsy. It kept pulling out when we had like a fast food drink in here and we're trying to pull it out. The insert would pull out with it, and I hated that. We don't like that one. This next cup holder insert I love. I got this cup holder insert from Tesla C, and it's really, really nice. The chrome bezels match the chrome here on your actual center console. It's a really sharp cup holder, and I love how it fits those drinks. It had the same limitation though. It didn't fit the bigger cups. Sodas and small cans fit fine, but limited your ability to store bigger things. So I got a new cup holder, and this is just kind of a cup holder insert that I got from Basenor on Amazon. So let's open this up and I'm going to show you guys what it kind of looks like and what it does. So it's just a simple cup holder insert, and what it does, it fits down here in this channel right here between your two cup holders, and it has these spring locking sides to help secure any drinks or smaller cans that you might need to fit down in here. Let's go ahead and test this out. I just slip it right down in here. It holds really nice and firm, and it matches. It's a nice kind of color match to the actual silver that's on your stock dash. Then you have these little push tabs, which are, not uncommon in a lot of other cars. But let's see how it holds some different drinks here. I have kind of like a big, I don't know, I call this like a Starbucks cup. This wouldn't fit in my other cup holders because it was too big, but it fits pretty securely there. The little spring tab has it pushed to the side there. I think I trust that in either cup holder. Nice and kind of sturdy. So that's a win right there. Let's try one of these big Yeti cups. This is, I think, a 32-ounce older style Yeti cup. And that fits down in there really, really nice. This would not have fit in one of those other two that I went over. So this fits actually really, gosh, I dig that a lot. Nice, secure, kind of positive fit. I think that works really great. Let's try a smaller item, like an actual can of Coke or a can of soda. See how that fits in there. It's a little loose, I will say. Pushing it down on each side, the little tab doesn't seem to engage the smaller can all that well. So I think, if you're doing cans and things like that, most often the smaller cup holders would be good. But if you have bigger cups you like to hold, something like this insert would be good as well. The last thing I want to try is this Wobbly bottle. Me and my wife have been using these water bottles all the time for going on walks, going to the gym. And I typically always leave one in the car over in my door pocket. But I want to see how it fits over in one of these. Seems to fit fine. Pushes it just a little bit, and honestly this would fit fine without this insert, but I kind of like having the option to put this here instead. Well, that about wraps up our short video today. Another video on cup holders. Who would have thought? I think this is the third one I've done on the channel. I really like this little cup holder insert versus the actual cup holder full insert that fits in and really limits the ability of your cup holders to hold those larger cups. I got a lot of feedback on my last video about that, so I just wanted to try this as an update to see if it made a difference. I think we're going to be using this one for quite a while. I like its ability to hold larger style cups, larger style drinks, especially ones you get from like fast food restaurants, and then your bigger water bottles like your Yeti cup or those Wobbly bottles that I showed earlier. I like that a lot. I think it'll also hold cans just fine. It really does limit the amount of rattle in there, just not as tight as I'd like it to be. If you use cans all the time and that's all you're drinking, maybe one of the other cup holder inserts is good for you. But I prefer to drink a lot of water. I like to carry water with me in the car. And instead of always leaving it over in my door pocket, it doesn't fit there very well. I can now put it here in my cup holders. I like this a lot. If you're interested in this product from Basenor, I'll leave a link to it down in the description. All of Basenor's products are sold on Amazon, and I really like that. They have a lot of really high quality products that are really inexpensive. I'll have a link to my link tree also down in the description that links all of my Basenor products I've reviewed and all of the other accessories I've added to my Tesla over time in case you want to check it out. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out if you subscribe. I'm nearing in on my 1,000 member goal. So if you're interested, please subscribe and you'll see more content like this and other Tesla accessory reviews coming up. Thanks.